How to find tracking number on DHgate order. Let's get started. Launch your DHgate app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of account. Once you're in the account page, here you're gonna find different sections. Here you'll find the section of orders as well. Click on the option of view all. Now in this page, you're gonna find all of your orders. Now how to find the tracking number for each order. What you have to do is click on any of the order for which you want to see the tracking number. With that, you're going to get all the details for that order. Likewise, you'll also see the option of track in this page. You have to click on that option of track. With that, you'll get the tracking number for that specific order. So this is how you can easily find tracking number on DHgate order. This was really simple and quick process. By following the same steps, you can easily find tracking number for all the DHgate orders. That's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.